Hello. uh, Again, we'll be discussing today a topic related to principles and practice of banking. It's about Consumer Protection Act. Now, all of you know that consumer is an important thing, whether it is a service or whether it is purchase of a product. With a view to protect the consumers, the Consumer Protection Act was introduced in 1986, and provisions of this act came into force with effect from 15th April 1987. The Act covers all goods and services except the goods for resale or for commercial purposes, and also the services which are rendered free of charge. The Act is basically enacted for speedy disposal of the redressal of the consumer disputes. Now, this Act covers all sectors, whether it is in private, whether it is in public, or whether it is in cooperative sector. Act provides for establishment of two important wings. One is Consumer Protection Council, another is forums. And these establishments are at the district level, state level, and central level. The consumer redressal forums are quasi-judicial machinery, and it deals with consumer grievances and disputes. So we have district forum, state commission, and national commission. Where exactly the complaints can be filed with the consumers? If the value of goods and compensation claim does not exceed rupees 20 lakh, such claims or disputes have to be filed with the district forum. If the value of the goods or compensation to be claimed is more than rupees 20 lakhs but less than rupees 1 crore, such cases have to be filed before the state commission, and anything above 1 crore, such cases will have to be filed before the national commission. Now, what the district forum consists of? The composition of the district forum is, it will have one qualified person, qualified to be a district judge as its chairman, two other members, one of whom shall be a woman, and they are all appointed by the state government. As far as state forum is concerned, it will have a president, two other members. The president of the forum must be a retired judge or working judge of a high court. Again, all these people are appointed by the state government. The national forum consists of a president and four members, one of whom shall be woman. They are all appointed by the central government. Apart from the forums, we have councils, as I have already told you. We have district council, state council, and central council. Now, the district council, the chairman of the district council is collector of the district. It will also have such number of other officials and non-official members as may be decided by the concerned state government. The agenda given to the district forum is they should meet at least twice in a year. As far as state forum is concerned, minister in charge of the consumer affairs of the state, he will be the chairman. It will consist of such other number of official or non-official members as may be decided by the state government. The state forum should meet at least twice every year. And the last one, that is central council, it consists of the members appointed by the central government, and it shall conduct meeting at least once in a year. The basic object of the Central Council is to promote and protect the rights of the consumers. Now, the consumer should also know how and where the complaints are to be submitted. The complaints are to be submitted in a prescribed manner with full details, evidence, and applicable fee. They are also required to give an affidavit as prescribed by the forum. Admissibility of the complaint has to be decided by these forums within 21 days, whether it will be taken up or it will not be taken up. A reason as to why it cannot be taken up will also be conveyed to the consumers. In addition to this, since these acts were enacted way back in 1986, good number of changes have taken place, and look at what are the changes which are required has emanated, and a new bill has been passed by Lok Sabha in 2018. However, it is still to be enacted as a law. Maybe once this consumer bill is discussed in the Rajya Sabha, it may be declared as an act. There are three important things in this Consumer Protection Bill 2018. One is to curb misleading advertisements and endorsements. Second, appointment of a consumer protection authority who will be called as a regulator. Third, impose very heavy penalties and also jail terms if required for adulteration and misleading advertisements. The bill also provides for imposition of penalties on celebrities who are found to endorse such advertisements, and they will be liable to pay a hefty fine and or a ban on any advertisements, or even they may be jailed. So these are the important things which have been brought out in the Consumer Protection Bill 2018. Well, many times the consumers file frivolous and false complaints. To put an end to such a system, the bill provides for imposing a penalty up to 50,000 rupees. Earlier, it used to be 10,000 rupees, and the bill provides for imposition of fine of 50,000 rupees for false or frivolous complaints from the consumers. So this way, the balancing act has been made in the Consumer Protection Bill of 2018. On one side, there is protection to the consumers of bringing out adulterated or misleading advertisements. On the other side, there should not be any frivolous or false complaints, and therefore this is going to be a balancing act in the days to come once an act is passed. Thank you very much for listening to me.